Second, thank you.
So, Chris, you've just finished the 3-day SITAP training. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling about it?
I actually feel really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and it's opened me up to things that I previously would have doubted.
What was your most inspirational learning or experience over the 3 days?
Working with the other group members, picking up on the skills that other people have got that I really want to try and attain.
And if you were talking to somebody who was maybe thinking about doing the course, what would you say?
Sign up.
I
could do all sorts of broad things, but just it is worth it.
Great.
It's value added.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your new skills.
Thank you.